So ngayon, it's our first day of school and nasa Don Bosco ako ngayon. Bro, first day, late ako.
Vlog and Tinay's
Sabihin niya first day of vlog. Sabihin niya first day of vlog.
first day of school!
Hi guys!
Wait, nasan si Sophie? Oh, ayun nga.
Ay, nawala na naman yun. I miss this place.
Tapos, nagkaganyan na sila.
Oh, cute. Kuha ka ng upuan yun.
Nag-exchange daw sila.
Alam mo yung uma-agree. Bagay naman kayo eh. Supportive. Bagay naman kayo eh. Disappointed. Bagay naman kayo eh. Sad. Bagay naman kayo eh. Angry. Bagay naman kayo eh. Right now, we just finished, we just finished the game. Oh, no, skincare.
Ano, skincare. Right here. Buy one, take one.
She's feeling kind, she's more than proud.
Ilan na kayong star?
Zero.
Oh my god.
Me too.
I only have one.
How do you have two?
I know I have two.
Is that it, Sophie?
Hi guys! Ngayon ay magluluto na kami.
Ay, wait lang.
Nag-loading siya.
Classroom.
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first? Who's more protective?
Ay, nakatulog.
And
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, for the past few hours, we were like, nag-ano kami, we were running and all that stuff. And, boy, we were running, we were stressing out everything and parang bang soccer. Pero at least, we won 1 star. 1 star lang kanyan yun.
Ako, gusto kong star.
Na-cut off na hanggang kay Kayla.
My Phoebe.
Bro, I'm gonna make an edit.
Tawa ng tawa si Sophie, oh.
3, 2, 1. Ano sasabihin? 3, 2, 1. Bye!